Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Canon Coffee, and today we have a Breville Oracle Touch with us in the shop. And today it came in the shop because there was quite a lot of leaking coming out of the boiler, messing with the solenoid valves, which is the humming that you would hear, the electrical humming. When water or dampness gets on those specific parts, it starts messing with the machine, starts making the machine do weird things. And then also scale buildup will ruin the inside of your machine. But we went in this one, we fixed it up, stopped all the leaking from happening via replacing the O-rings on the boiler, also doing a tune-up, replacing the gasket on the group head, descaling your machine. Scale is like the second killer of any espresso machine, so you want to make sure you're getting no scale inside of this machine, because right where the board is at, there is a triad board, and if that thing fails, it's really bad. You cannot find that part anywhere, and they're quite expensive if you do find it. Also, we did have to replace one of the prongs that are connected to your boiler that measures the temperature of the water, and it measures the level of the water also. But yeah, so now we're going to test the machine by making a espresso. We're going to start by grinding. And when you do take this machine home, you of course can calibrate it to your liking. I kind of calibrated to like a decent espresso. Since this is a dual boiler, you could also use the steam wand while it's doing things, but we're just going to test the steamer here. Let it run. As you can see, working really well. Of course, if you had a picture here, it would stop your milk at a specific temperature. Turn that off, drop it. It's going to clean itself, but as you can see, we have a even level of coffee. So we're going to put that in here. We did put a new gasket on your group head, so it is going to hit that 90 mark, and it's going to be really hard to get past there. Usually you don't want to go past there. We're actually going to do a double here. There you go. Now we're going to brew a double. So the first 8 seconds is pre-infusion, and then it starts to push water really through. We might have made it a little too fine, but that's perfectly fine. Yeah, I think I put it a little too fine. It's alright though, just for testing pressure, testing measures. You of course can mess with the grind setting on the left side of the machine with the knob. And also I was seeing that there was a lot of coffee in your portafilter. Pretty much this machine, at least digitally, you cannot adjust how much coffee goes into your portafilter when you grind. But manually you can by taking out this metal tamper that's in here and adjusting it with a little Allen key to make it go longer or shorter. The longer it is, the more it will be inside of your portafilter, the less coffee will put. So I put it to a decent amount so you're not overpacking your portafilter, of course. But yeah. And then last but not least, we're just going to run the hot water to make sure that's working. It should be a steady stream like it is right now. If it sputters or anything like that, then there's something going wrong with either your valves or your motherboard. We have a steady stream, and that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.